All right, Mark and Kevin from the Deering team, brand new listing hitting the market today. We're going to give you a quick virtual walkthrough so you can check out all the features. We're at the end of a cul-de-sac out here on Kentwood, close to M6 in the shopping district of Kalamazoo Avenue. And you walk in to a nice open concept split level. Living room has fresh carpet in 2017, I believe. Fresh paint throughout the main living areas. And we'll take a walk up to the next level here with the kitchen and dining room. And kitchen appliances are being offered with the house. The homeowner really enjoys the open floor plan up here, overlooking the large deck and backyard. Really nice for entertaining. And there are some walking trails close by in a local park. Let's see. And the home does have a new roof in 2019 and a new furnace in 27, or flip-flop those. We can edit that. And so we'll walk down here to the first bedroom. We have on the left here I'll get out of your way. There you go. And second bedroom in here. And it's actually a pass-through bathroom, so it does have the main bathroom off the master bedroom here. Fresh paint. And a nice big walk-in closet. Yeah. Alright, we'll keep walking. Oh, and we have a pantry right here.
going to show them this view real quick, Kevin.
Okay. And we'll head down to the lower level. And we've got a big, large bedroom, daylight window in there. This is technically the family or living room.
Yeah, this is family room,
The
yeah.
way they use it, but so. Looks like some built-ins too. And you got a crawl space area in here, I believe, right? Or is this, nope, that's not, yeah, under here. Don't know if there's a light.
I'm not sure if there's a light either, but that's all cut out. This was cut out of the foundation so you'd have more storage underneath that level. That main level.
I can try to use this. Alright, and another full bathroom and 2 more bedrooms down here.
I'm sure you guys got gloves on.
Okay, for sure.
So bedroom 3 here.
It is weird with masks on.
Yeah. It's weird getting used to having them on for so long. I
Right.
imagine nurses like doctors.
Right.
But
Mm-hmm. And, yep, 4th bedroom. And utility room with washer and dryer.
Which are included with the right price.
And furnace was replaced in 2019. Does have air conditioning.
Electronic air filter too, looks like.
And a nice newer water heater setup.
Humidifier on the furnace.
And let's go check out the garage. Trip over rack. One of those. 2-stall garage.
Looks like a 7-foot door.
Yep.
Nice side entrance. There's a nice pad over there, perfect for a camper or something, a van or whatever, you know, a third vehicle. Nice little parking pad on that side I showed you in the beginning. Yeah, nice and semi-finished with paint and everything.
Yeah, it's got pegboards so for utility hanging and tools.
It is a nice feature.
Mm-hmm. Shall we close?
Sure. I'm gonna show the skylight real quick.
Yeah.
I don't know if I got that. Well, that's a natural natural light in here. I mean, we got the lights on, but tons of natural light. All right, Kevin. So if they want more questions, what should they do?
Yeah, thanks for joining this virtual tour. We are back to showing homes too, so if you do want an in-person look, you can give us a call, and also find this video online on our Facebook page. But yeah, that was the virtual tour. Thank you.